Enemies of the air, beware. You'll be next, mudbloods. Filthy little mudblood.
It is Miss Burbage's belief that Muggles are not so different from us. She would, given her way, have us mate with them. To her, the mixture of magical and Muggle blood is not an abomination, but something to be encouraged.
As your new Minister for Magic, I promise to restore this Temple of Tolerance to its former glory. Therefore, beginning today, each employee will submit themselves for evaluation. But know this, you have nothing to fear if you have nothing to hide.
Between me and Voldemort? What if the reason for it is that I am becoming more like him? I just feel so angry all the time.
Look at me.
Voldemort lives inside him.